How to make an account on Telegram without a phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make an account on Telegram without a phone number. First of all, open Telegram on your web browser. Then, for signing in to Telegram, select your country, for example, UK. Open your browser in a new tab and search UK temporary phone numbers. You will write the name of your country. Open the link in the new tab. Click Agree to protect your privacy. Click on the number you want to choose and copy it. Go to your previous tab and paste the number. Click on Next to continue. Then, enter the code. They have sent you a message on Telegram with the code. Go to that temporary number tab. There, they have sent you a code. Once you receive the code, enter it. That's how you can make an account on Telegram without a phone number. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.